This is the one with all the bone and the meat in the tail packed back up. This is the one that has the helmet off. No, has the helmet on. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, welcome, morning, Bodow. We don't know, we just diamond vibes in a little bit. Foodie Nation by me here, so we're doing a little small thing here. We're down to Trinidad and Tobago, how we just really start to prep the fish, how we just put everything together from foundation to finish. Yeah? How I want to do this lobster today is like, I want to do it with some with meat, some without meat, without shell. You don't play with ice here. Always ice down properly. Lobsters. Right? I'm going to show you like what we just normally do the lobster. But today, we want to do it a little different today for the customers and them. Not everybody does what is shelling the lobster because some of the customers just only eat the tail and chew all the rest. Meaning like the rest, meaning like the toes and stuff. Now this one, we just call this one, you take off with the helmet. Sometimes you ask the customer, family white, you want the helmet on or helmet off? Somebody say, hey, you want the helmet off, you don't want the helmet on. So we just take off the helmet like this. You take off the helmet, in other words, you have no helmet. You know, in other words, now we can take our time and clean the filter on the outside of the crab. It's like a crab. You have a little more time, that's why sometimes your customers come and find, hey, the lobster, you want lobster, you want two lobster. The lobster will take a little more time to prep than a fish. Okay, you take a little more into it, depends on how you want it right now. As I say again, all the tail here, the toes, the fillers, and the belly part like a crab. So you just go and bust it down in the middle like this. Right? There you go. Must take out this like a shrimp. When we're done with this style, we wash it, season it, prep it for roasting. This is our next one. Right? Some of the customers, as I say again, I will do a small one. Some of the customers, they'd rather the lobster do like this. You're just doing a small one so you can have an idea what's going on. Don't say too small at all because like this size sometimes, you know. Not everybody could afford a big lobster, so it's a different size to suit everybody. Right? Now, with this style and this technique here, you see, look different, right? Now you're going to see a whole lobster, but behind here is, you know, don't really can eat all this, but eat everything else. So without this on it, you can get to eat everything else. Only belly, as I say. Some customers only get to eat out here and eat here and chew the whole thing because they can't get to here. We will do our next one and show you again without no shell. So we go down and do the 3 lobster today and show you which one of the 3 styles of lobster you like that when you come by Bodow. So we're not wasting none of your meat at all, as was before. Take out the shell. Alright, meat. Now, we just use it if you want to use it. See that shape like a crab. See? You're cutting it up just like a crab, like a belly part. So when I do this style here for you, you're eating everything shorty. You're not going to chew it, nothing. So all this going with this lobster. This is the guts, this is the show here. Right, this is one. And then the next two I done did this. Right? Take out this. Take out. And the next basin, Baba. Yeah. This is one process. We'll get back here and show you the next process. This is one of the processes we just be going through. This is Mala. This is one of we marinata. This is Chanel. One of my accountant here. This is Dexter. I say my brother-in-law, my madam here. This as I say again, this business is all about family. You know? So we just come together and try to do it in a way that everybody could, you know? Feel the local something. Makes it all take. So this is one of the lobster I'll show you how we take off the helmet on. And this is the one we just bust with the skull on. Right? And I think you remember this one here. This is the one that comes from the tail. As you can see, everybody just be busy, doing what we just have to do. To make it all come together. This lobster we're doing here is basically just like that one. But as I was saying again, all your meat, all your shell. Right? We're gonna mix up this with the cheese, the salt, we're gonna put all the carrot in. We do something like a little pizza, something like a little, you know? We call this one a lobster pie. This ain't gonna have no milk in it because not everybody does want milk, like milk. Hello? Huh? Basically, when you buy your lobster and you order your lobster and you want it like this, you can get it like this. Take a few minutes to finish out because the lobster take a little more, 2-3 minutes more than fish, but we just put it up still, just take your time and come in real nice and curved. Like a pizza. It's the one without all the tail and all the tentacles and stuff. So just go in and stuff back inside of this tail here. Pack back all your fronts and thing in front, right? Some of the customers doesn't want it, but if you realize what I do here, right? This is just one I'm showing you. So if a customer buy a lobster and order a lobster like order like the lobster, like this. He loves that can mix it with our next customer order. So we have basins and everything, put things in place to take care of our customer order one by one. And everything going through the same process, one by one. This lobster are not the chewy like bone and whatnot. There's only meat you see in it. As you can see, it's only meat. Right? Now, I'll just leave it like this. But some of the customers might still want their toes and their belly and stuff, so you gotta rest them on the side like this. We'll still get the final touches here now. We will bring it in here with the okra, the corn. So basically this lobster, it has nothing to show in this. Only the tail shell. And nothing to show in this. Only the tail. As I say again, people just get hard and say you Bodow using foil, but I like to let them know the foil is just a vessel still, right? Because when they use the foil, they use baking sheet. And basically you see a lobster ain't touching no foil. And basically you go in and swell up without touching the foil. Okay? Right? So we have lobster without shell, lobster without the helmet, and lobster with the helmet. So your helmet on, helmet off, shellless. Bodow. Swell up like a doll print, that way they call it the fresh porridge style now, boy. You understand what I'm showing you? So in other words, the lobster are roasting, but also steaming inside it. So you're getting a roast flavor, a smoke flavor, and a steam flavor. This boneless looking bad. Nice. This is the one with all the bone and the meat in the tail packed back up. This is the one that has the helmet off. No, has the helmet on. And we had the next one with the helmet off. So this is your choices when you come to buy Bodow. Helmet on, helmet off, no bone.